Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to do a quick review of the Alpine ILX-W650, which is a shallow chassis head unit. The box contains the receiver, pre-out camera harness, a wiring harness with a 15 amps fuse attached, a 42-inch long USB extension cable, microphone and 4 ISO screws. If space is the problem, then this unit got you covered. Its chassis is no wider than an almond joy or a $20 bill. On the rear side of the unit we find the 3.5 mic port. Located right next to it is the steering wheel control interface connector, a single USB port, Sirius XM tuner input, camera and pre-out connector, and lastly the power supply connector. The display features a bezel-less 7-inch capacitive touchscreen, but we will talk in a moment about that. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the boot time, which is roughly 12 seconds. When you're using it for the first time, you will be welcomed by the language selection screen. If the radio is important for you, then you have 24 presets to save your favorite radio stations, but I'm sure the main reason everyone buys this unit is the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Since I don't have an Android device, I'm going to review the CarPlay. Ambient sensor is working, that's why I have the white background. I don't really like it, so I will change it to the classic black. One quick thing that you may notice, the display looks a bit washed out. It doesn't have those nice rich colors and I couldn't find anything in its settings that I can adjust, but we will double check that in a second. Meanwhile, let's go back to the CarPlay. But don't be disappointed yet. The responsiveness of the screen beats all other head units. I've tried couple others and none of them felt so responsive like this one. Trust me, you don't want any lag when you are behind the wheel. Let's go back to the main page and browse through the setup options. Going to the sound, we have fade and balance, bass, equalizer, subwoofer, and you could go next level to advanced where you have your 9-band equalizer, crossover and TCR. Going back, you have the volume setup where you can adjust the volume for each one of them, which is pretty cool. Here we can set a key sound feedback as well. System give us some basic options. Switching to dimmer, we have couple more interesting options such as adjusting the dimmer. If you were wondering, the dimmer is located on the bottom left corner and you will have one less wire to worry about, such as illumination wire. Unfortunately, you cannot adjust the key illumination color to match your dashboard tone, so you will be stuck with the white color. Connectivity will let you disable CarPlay option and adjust the guidance volume for the maps. You can connect up to 4 Bluetooth devices, but you will be able to only use one at a time. You get to play the game of who plugged their phone in first. Another cool thing is the ability to plug 2 cameras, such as a backup camera and a front camera, which is going to make parallel parking a breeze. If you need to adjust the camera picture quality, you can do that, as well as adjusting the backup camera guidelines. One thing that worth mentioning is that you cannot change the wallpaper or the boot screen. I know that's a downside, along with the inability to change the key colors. Well, in conclusion, I would say this is not the perfect head unit, but if you want a fast and responsive device with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, then this is the best bet. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it was helpful, and if you'd like to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like this video as well. And I will see you in the next video.